Now that your sax is put together, let's start making some sound, okay? When I first started, my mom put together the sax for me. And she put it together with the mouthpiece on upside down. We didn't know any better. And I was down in the basement and she said, make some sound, kiddo. So here I am trying to learn how to play this. And I did this. I put my lips all under like that, like a turtle. Okay? Because I didn't know better. And then I got to band on the first day and my instructor said, no. It goes like this. And he turned it around. But I had already learned to play really relaxed because I had played with the mouthpiece upside down. And I played with my lips on the top and the bottom of the mouthpiece. And so I was lucky that I learned how to make the reed vibrate with a relaxed embouchure. That's really important when you're starting. I want you to start relaxed and get a feel for how this reed moves. Okay? So with yours set up correctly, we're going to take and we're going to put our top teeth up here. This is what I didn't know when I first started playing. You're going to put your top teeth up here, and then you're going to just roll your bottom lip over your bottom teeth just a little. Just a little. And now we're going to make a big, loud, honking sound on low D. 1, 2, 3 on each hand. 1, 2, 3. You ready? Doesn't that feel awesome? Man, that is good. That is the saxophone, baby. Do it again. You get a feel for that? You feel how that reed is buzzing and the sound is just, you feel it in your fingers, you feel it in your face. Welcome to the saxophone. There's your first sounds. Teeth on top, bottom lip rolled over your bottom teeth slightly, and you just relax and let the sound happen. It's okay to honk and squawk at first. We're going to talk about embouchure in more detail, but you get the idea. Get your first notes and just make some sound. Enjoy it. Feel it vibrating on your lip. Feel it vibrating the tips of your fingers as you play that low D with each of the 3 fingers down on it, and just have some fun. Long, loud sounds. And then try to play soft. And then try to play a little bit louder, and then play loud again, okay? Have fun with your first sounds, and we're going to move on to how you shape your embouchure.